wa kane mwaka 2020 na isano ni mwakaribu sana stikionga chinsa isano ni bere chabona mugaso rinde tunyare ko yasanga ali agenderete kuba muno ime yeliroba lyagusi ereterane kuruko Matilda Obaigwa na Veninyaboke kura asensemo yebimanyiriro nane kero togochaka ni gobono ababwatani ao kura ase chibunge ao ime county ya Kisii bono banyarire wesokya nabwo gukugikeria ugo okurusigwa ebunge kwae omoske Anthony Kibagendi ritukuregoro ekero bono anyarete kukani gwatabasa guswa ase amagachayo nande ase amatuko are bosio ayega kubwatakana nere chinkwana abere kakubwatoka hecho chikogenda mamincha ye okugania wa serikali gose kwebunge enene na ababoteni abaiga nigobono banyare kubwatoka ekiriro kyabo nabo igokobora buna andake omoske Anthony Kibagendi nigobono akaregwa kwa na igati ya baraikura sensemo ye serikali una nigo agosira omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nekero babuli buna nigo baire serikali chinsa chinke kusebiro ebike banyare kone kibuna banyare komwanchira omoske Kibagendi kwirana asebunge.
Mimi ni Mkenya kutoka Nyaribari Chache. Siku ya leo tumekuja hapa kulalamika juu ya mheshimiwa Kibagendi. Hatujui mbona mnasumbua mheshimiwa Kibagendi. Kibagendi ni kijana mdogo anafanya kazi vizuri. Kijana sababu anasupport Matiang'i akisema Matiang'i tuoma Ruto ndio sababu mnamsumbua.
Mbona mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi hatuko nje na sisi tulimchagua haende kututetea pale. Shida yake ni gani? Sababu kama ni maneno ya kulalamika kuhusu SHA na vitu zingine si yeye peke yake. Wananchi wanalia, viongozi wanalia, nchi haina mwelekeo. Mimi sioni makosa yake.
Sisi kama Wakisii atusikii vizuri. Ni kama wameanza kutuonea kwa sababu tumetoa kijana wetu Daktari Matiang'i kama president. Lakini tunawaambia ya kwamba sisi kama Wakisii tunapenda amani. Lakini tukichokozwa sisi ni wapaya. Tunawaambia sisi ni wapaya.
Sasa anaendelea kuteswa asiende bunge. Sasa hata watu wa Kitutu Chache watapata maendeleo kwa njia gani? Watapita wapi wapata maendeleo? Na yeye ndio macho yao. Sisi na kwa Mkenya mzima Kibagendi anatetea kuhusu sana mambo mengine. Yale anauliza.
SHA has got problems. It is not really working. I stay near a hospital. I can see the way people are suffering. They go there, they come back without being treated, without being attended. This SHA is a thorn in the flesh of even civil servants, teachers, kila mtu. Sasa kama Kibagendi anasema SHA ifanye kazi, na hata wale ambao wako kwa serikali wanakubali SHA ifanye kazi, sitafadhali mupatie wa Kenya ile kitu ambayo inaweza kuwasaidia.
Kibagendi no muntu gotetea mu Kenya umugima because ebintu kwa na ari assembly igo biusekanite no mu Kenya bintu mbiri buya. So tware gosabaga umusike Wetangula no musike William Ruto intune community yo mugusi otogotabanga twarure chinsa emerongo 24 egere Kibagendi ira ni ku parliament ngonye Kibagendi tali go chikoira ni ku parliament intomo gusingo chakatura maandamano kwa egeko garantori go chikorigereria abarai baito bakominyo kigubune menyama ba menyo kiguro ryo ruwa batogakira bachakire Kibagendi na inde tokire
na kubwatekana anengane yo wakwa isiko yebunge komoske Anthony Kibagendi kura ese bunge ya Kitutu Chache South nigobono ensemo ya ODM ikurawa no seneta we county ya Nairobi moske Edwin Sifuna yekweruka Linda Mwananchi bono na barabu banyarire ko kwana na bali kibamangana maya mugasolero ekero bakobora buna teri kubwatia richiko kubwa muno ekero ikigambero kyanyarete gukanya buna ebunge emwanchire Kibagendi kogendera nemirimo gose goswa ase ebunge korende nigo batebire buna nigo yekire nonye omonogere bwe bunge musikie Moses Wetangula nabo igabobwatani ao ime ya serikali tibali kubwatia ugochika obwekegambero.
The court has made a decision that the Honorable Kibagendi should be allowed back in parliament. And when he comes back to parliament to serve the people of Kitutu Chache South, again another illegal decision is made to suspend him from the house in disobedience of the orders of the court for another 14 days. We are a country that is supposed to be governed by law. And we are the people who are saying, this is the reason why we as Linda Mwananchi keep insisting that the values under our constitution in the preamble, including the rule of law, are the underpinning of any functional society. It is not about roads and bridges and railways. Those ones everybody can build.
A member is being punished for what he said on TV. That is outside the precincts of parliament. So we want the courts, this is a test to you, the judiciary. If judiciary is working, let judiciary issue contempt of court against Wetangula. And that we will know that we are in a democratic state that obeys the law.
We are outside to make sure that we be voice to the voiceless. We fight for those who cannot fight for themselves, because we are here as Linda Mwananchi, and for us, our mission is to fight to the common Mwananchi, and we are not going to be intimidated by anyone. So we want, as members of Linda Mwananchi, we want Kibagedi, together with his team, will go to the court, as my colleague has said, and we make sure that Kibagedi is back to the parliament.
A matter where a member of parliament makes statements outside the house should be pursued outside the house. The speaker cannot misuse his powers under the constitution or under the standing orders or any law and mistreat or abuse the rights of a member to represent his people. In fact, representation is cardinal for a member of parliament. If the speaker feels that he has committed an offense, he knows the right authorities to report to or what to do. And no one is above the law.
Mwancho muligire gutigana nayo mugavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Omusike Paul Simbarati nikubono anyare kwera buna na chie kubwatoka ibiragitana bwigochi machine chiri cyanyara kugurwa ase serikali ya kaunti yiga uchi ase chiwodi ao iliyokone kebuna chipara cyanyare korosibwa kwikira ebirengo biria biganiri kaukono kuro chinse mu chiri cya Kenya Omusike Paul Simbarati nigo atebire buna nigo ukoremo wechipara kura chikoira ense yemetinye bere ikiagira nigo chirabe chikolemwa kura eward ucha eyende
Information aki kire uwo wibina matata to ewodi ya ere eto mweka chikire na inye chik kabeta inye ibere chinora no chinora chiri sano imo kire uwo kira chibodi sano ta chikore kane na week amen yes within 1.5 months usienyima chipara Chose Chico Igor, Montegero, Chico Igor, Ekatua Gode, and Chuanza Igor. Ekera Boloiga, Parent Weteka. Amina. Oh, Manabuna say Toga. My joke about Amanteva Chiroga. Bagachakanda, Moaka Chingo. Abantu bakora gaiga ujuwe barongo usinyuko ogenda asaba na rutumatika ekere constituency ya Rwasa constituency ya Machoko constituency ya no Kitutu chache sawa na Bonchari par no ene mutijero no ene par no ene daraja yaga chibwele te korosiwo muanjinga njembo ye president ebo yo monto korosi ane aro daraja ji ekara muacha gaiga mukaratu amaga mugani tinani rutajiga
Nakorwa ase amagacho ye nyumba yoborai gose ikulu nigo bono abangina korwa se kiumbe ikia wanawake na maendeleo bono bari chiribusano banyara gutarira amagacha yo bakorawa no murai bwense kusase gikaro kyanyara korawa no murai bwense Omusike William Ruto Murai wenseka ukona korwa ase omusangirekano yo nigo anyalire gotauna abangina nigo barabengencho anene muno chingaki cha siasa mangana siasa na boigo amagenderano ekiro abaigirire buna gwetera ase abangina abo bagwesokia sobonge bagenda bakigura bagenderete kubeka egati abarai babira bengencho ase chavisi au
kina mama hai, kina mama hoye. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Assalamu alaikum. Mimi nimefurahi sana kwamba nimepata hii nafasi ya kukutana pamoja na nyinyi. Kama vile imesemekana hapa, maendeleo ya wanawake is a household name. Ni tukilelewa sisi tulikuwa tunajua kuna maendeleo ya wanawake. Na maendeleo ya wanawake imeshiriki katika maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya, sio wanawake peke yake. And I must commend the women of Kenya, the women of maendeleo ya wanawake, for their contribution to our nation. We have in our midst great women, trailblazers, who have made our country what it is today. And I want to say to all the women and to the women who have made this huge contribution to our nation, we owe you, we are grateful. You have made our country better. Na mimi nasema asante sana. Nimefanya kazi na kina mama wengi, na nimepata nafasi ya kufanya kazi na kina mama katika viwango tofauti tofauti, na nimegundua ya kwamba ni ukweli ya kwamba what a man can do, a woman can do better. Na pia nikatambua ya kwamba if you want something said, give it to a man. If you want something done, give it to a woman.
Nichinga kiecho nigo anyara gukwanira egati yaba waziri abasubati minsi ya Kenya baribanyare koleta amonchorero ase chiwizara au kumwatira omosike esoipani tuya ase wizara ili ijoborendi nabo igo omosike egati yaba waziri vande ase chiwizara au nabo igo oyore omwatone general Oduor nigo bono anyare kwen kiabuna nigo wakolire buya kubwa no nyaburai abasacha babere ase chiwizara echo.
Today working with Soipan Tuya here. Again, the first Masai girl to be a minister in the government of Kenya. We are undertaking the largest transformation of our military under the leadership of Soipan Tuya. Ile budget kubwa zaidi tumefanya kwa miaka mitatu kama serikali ya Kenya. Ile kandarasi nyingi ambazo tumepatiana, kandarasi yenye thamani ya shilingi bilioni 650 inasimamiwa na huyu mama anaitwa Alice Oho. If anybody had doubt as to the capacity of women to lead, there is evidence and testimony in the women we have in the cabinet of Kenya. Kwa hivyo nataka nyinyi wa mama mujiamini na mujue you can provide leadership in Kenya. The first woman attorney general in the Republic of Kenya, Mama Dorcas, Owor, she's here. Oduor, she's not here today, but I can tell you, nilikuwa na matatizo makubwa sana na mwingine ambaye alikuwa hapo incompetent, ajielewi, mpaka Mama Dorcas akafika. Leo kazi ya serikali inatembea kama risasi pale kwa ofisi ya AG.
Wancho muligere to wasagoska kolende yaligania asumurubele o vibes on vibes yora so asembeo asiti taika chinke chire abosio bonora leta sorenere MC Wiza Crown na boigo DJ Ikripa nchenkuru kwa Matilda oboigwa vere nyaboke kura sebi manyero na boigo kura studio yakabire nere Eugene bakubwaterana na Elvis Manyara kendera utwara obuligererio bya na boigo tubwatia ase mitandao yeto yekerero kuna Getembe TV.